One of the questions we get asked a lot at DataYard is how to control junk email. For example, I have an email right here in my window, in my screen, from the best book of remedies at lostbooks.best. I don't want to get any more of these. I'd really like to stop it. They keep coming into my dmazzara@donet.com account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to filter.datayard.us. And I'm going to type in, if you've never used this tool before, you need to create your account. Just fill that in and click on Create New Password. It's going to tell you account created. You're going to go back to your email box, refresh. You're going to get your password. So I'm going to come back here now and I'm going to log in with that password that I just got. I'm going to sign into it. And I'm going to go to my preferences. And I'm going to go to then my whitelist and blocklist settings. And what I want to do is I want to come back here and grab this email address again, copy that to the clipboard, because I want to put that in my block list. I'm going to say I don't want to receive any more email from this particular address. And you just click add. And now that email address, any email with that set as the from address, will get blocked. A whitelist is the opposite. You can add an email address here that will never get blocked for spam for any reason. So let's say I wanted to always make sure that I got support at datayard.us emails. I'd come over here and add them to the whitelist, and those emails would always get through. So whitelists always get passed, block lists never get passed. So once you've made these changes and you're satisfied with your settings, just sign out and your spam will be a little bit more under control. And that should do it. Have a great day.